Anyways, this is where I'm staying right there. Sunreno service apartment. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I'm out in front of Sunreno apartment, service apartments. That's a pretty cool building right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little balcony here and here. 3 balconies. And a cleaner out there cleaning, I guess. It's a big house to clean. It's a 6th floor. I can sort of see down into a parking garage. And I am going to show you what this looks like. So let me just see if I can lock this door first. I have to move the handle up, okay. And basically I have this space with the more window. So I can open this up, take a look again. It's pretty hot, so I have a bed. It's like a studio apartment and it's pretty ideal. Got some cabinet space, big TV, couch, some cooking space, microwave. Okay, good. Clean bathroom, shower that's also clean, serviced with shampoo. And I just I'll go outside in a minute, but I'll just show you. This is basically what it looks like. Afraid that door might close and lock on me. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like outside. And okay, this is the parking space for Sunreno, and I'm way up there on 7th floor, 707. There's the speaking part. Flags. You got the Thai flag, China flag, Korea flag, Japan flag. Is that Malaysia flag, I think? EU, I think. That's interesting. Nothing from North America. I guess that reflects of where most of the customer base is from. There's a couple more Thailand up there. Pretty cool hotel though. It's like a service apartment. And I guess I'd be over on the other side, but my apartment would look the same as these. Pretty cool space. Real home from home. So true. Looks like that actually. Okay, here it is from this side. And gonna let you see from this side over here. There's a giant Ferris wheel right there. So this is called ASIATIQUE. So basically people who stay at the Sunreno will go over to this ASIATIQUE. And in the next video, I'm gonna see what the ASIATIQUE is all about. I think it's a bunch of restaurants and shopping and who knows what else. I'll find out. I have no idea. Just wanted to get to a different part of Bangkok. Looks like there's some Indonesian restaurants, so Japanese. Oh, that's Korean. There's Kimchu. So the top one is Kimchu, and then Dunkin' Donuts, and then MK Restaurants. I think that's Taiwan. Anyways, this is where I'm staying right there. Sunreno service apartment, right across from this one. So the next video will be all about that. So we'll see what it is.